Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here on the channel. In today's video, I bring you another unboxing and first impressions of a watch. I just did one yesterday, that was the Eterna Eternity Quartz. But in terms of the recording dates, it's the same day. And that's because UPS delivered the Eterna, and then when I was done with recording the unboxing and first impressions video, I got a message saying that my Seiko is now ready to be picked up. So a double watch unboxing today. Super fun. It's a Friday. We have great weather out here. So yeah, two watches on the same day. Awesome. So now let's get into this box. I am also wearing a Seiko. I'm wearing my Seiko SKX009, which I talked about in my previous video. And now I have purchased another Seiko. So we have a usual Seiko box, outer box. And this is the Alpinist, the new black Alpinist, the SPB117, I think, 117J1 perhaps. I've been looking for a graduation present to myself, so I am graduating high school. I guess you could say the equivalent of high school in Sweden. And you know, with the coronavirus and all that, it's not going to be a lot of partying. But a watch, why not, right? So this is my graduation present, I guess you could say, to myself, or my graduation gift to myself. I ordered this last week and I just got it today. And as you can see, 6R35, so that's the new movement with 70 hours of power reserve. It replaces the 6R15, which you had previously seen in a lot of the higher end Seiko models around the $1,000 price. So here's the instructions booklet for that movement. And here's the guarantee card. Let's see here. So here's the guarantee card. Purchased on the 4th of May 2020. 6R35 movement purchased from a seller in Finland. An authorized dealer in Finland. Now let's get to the actual watch itself. Not that special of a box, but I mean, who cares? What's important is what's inside. Ooh, and here it is. Okay. All right, and here's the watch. First impressions, the size just looks fantastic. This is the size that I want in a watch like this. Awesome. All right, that's great. It's quite heavy, actually. Quite heavy. Or actually, the bracelet is quite heavy, but I think it's going to be a lot lighter when I remove some of the links. All right, now let's get closer. And here we have her, the SPB117J1. Fantastic case design and polish work. Very nice stuff. You have the Cyclops here on the date. Never seen that before in person on a Seiko. We have the hanging tag here, prospects, Seiko prospects, reference SPB117J1, that's correct, caliber 6R35. Now let's remove some of the plastics here. There we go. Okay, no plastic on the crystal. Nope. Man, this thing looks just so awesome. I have always liked the Seiko Alpinist case design, but I did not really like the green dial that much. And now that they have this matte black dial with these shark tooth indices. Man, this thing looks awesome. And of course also on a bracelet, an oyster bracelet. Seiko is not known for any sort of high quality bracelets, but this actually feels quite nice, I have to say. It feels quite similar to the one that you find on the SARB 033 and 035. It might actually be the exact same bracelet. Very interesting. Oh, and of course now we also get a see-through case back here with the new Seiko 6R15 movement. Not the most beautiful movement in the world, but it's of course always fun to see the inner workings of a watch. It's 200 meters water resistant, which is just fantastic. And a perfect size, really a perfect size. Nice screw down crown here. And in terms of the Cyclops, I actually quite like the Cyclops. I don't know why, but I actually do quite like it. Nice action here on the crown, I gotta tell you. Case finishing is excellent for the price. I would have hoped for a signed crown, but we did not get that this time around. That's not too bad though. But yeah, let's see how it looks on my 19.5 centimeter wrist. And there we have it on my 19.5 centimeter wrist. I of course have to remove some of these links, but I gotta tell you, the case size of this thing is just perfect for kind of like an adventure style watch. Personally, I think this just fits me so well. And the black dial and those hands and everything, man, this watch is cool. It is a bit expensive, but I did get 25% off the retail price here in Sweden. So it went from like $900 to something like $690, which is a much more reasonable price for this watch. So I paid around $700. And this is of course going to be a keeper of mine because it's my graduation gift to myself. And also it just looks so good, right? It can be used in so many different situations. And yeah, I will definitely be keeping this watch. So first impressions, it's a very cool watch, a very nice sized watch. The proportions are just fantastic. I love the matte black dial much more than I would have liked a polished black dial. The Cyclops, I actually quite like it. The handset is quite cool. And that red text there, 20 bar, 200 meters of water resistance, that red text just adds a nice touch to this otherwise quite plain dial. And that red color there goes perfectly with the red details on the compass bezel, inner rotating bezel, that is. I think they have kind of improved this inner rotating bezel a bit. It doesn't feel as wonky as the previous one felt. It feels a bit more kind of like a bit more stable and robust. So that's nice. There's an improvement there. So yeah, those were my first impressions of the Seiko Alpinist SPB117J1. I will be making a full review video of this watch, of course, so please stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe this video if you enjoyed it, and please feel free to tell me what you guys think about this watch in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'll catch you in my next videos. Bye bye.